Yes, the face you make when people are singing happy birthday. When you see your ex with a person they told you not to worry about. When Pluto heard it got caught from the Planet Squad. I freaking love this game. When your Uber driver farts. Oh, Jesus, please. Okay. When your friend won't stop making you laugh during the anti-bullying assembly.
I took off your grandma wig and I threw her in the pool. I took that hoe's dentures, made her suck on my tool. I did a line of cocaine off her pussy. It smelled like dog poo. I killed her whole family and the dogs too. Fuckity fuck, fuckita fuckita fuck fuck. Dump truckity truckita trust to the ass fuck. I hate gay people. White women are better than black women. Cool. Sometimes I don't hate sex. Ma'am, how dare you? What about the children?
Yo, Travis, check this out. Dick sporting goods more like penis sporting goods.
That's my fucking joke, Trevor. That's my fucking joke. I made it 2 minutes ago, and now you're gonna post it and claim it as your own, and Mindy's gonna see it. She's gonna think you're so fucking funny, Trevor, and she's gonna want to fuck you. But I want her to fuck me, Trevor. You know this.
But yo, Travis, bro, you're just like the guy who, like, fucks the girl.
No, dude, shit is different between us. We had something special. She was gonna fuck me on Monday. You wouldn't know what real love is, because you lost your virginity to a fucking glory hole. Get out. Get out. Get out. I'm gone.
Whoa, caught in a bad romance. Whoa, caught in a bad romance. Whoa, caught in a bad romance. Whoa.
Sorry. Do you think we should kiss?
No, I'm not ready yet.
Yeah, me neither. It's a stupid idea.
But soon.
Good job.
Oh my god, you do crack? Don't you, like, drink coffee every fucking minute of your fucking day? Yeah, but the difference is that mine is socially acceptable. You have a caffeine addiction, and you need fucking help. Stop drinking that shit.
Cause that shit you poured in the kitchen, I should have fucked you up. But I let you walk away, and I let you come get yourself together. But bitch, I'ma let you know if you ever pour that shit on me again, that will be your last motherfucking day standing. I promise you that.